Hey guys, I'm Katie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I got these natural curly beach waves with the Duvolle 32mm curling wand. Please hit that subscribe button if you're new, it really means a lot to me, and let's get into the video. Okay, so today we're going to be using the 32mm curling iron from Duvolle, hot pink. I feel like Barbie using this. It also came with a little glove. I am just starting out. I washed my hair today. This is what it looks like. This is my natural hair. It's just kind of, it's a little bit wavy. But yeah, let's heat this up and get right to it. Okay, so I did go ahead and zoom you in a little bit for your tutorial's sake, obviously. I just plugged in the curling wand. I know I called it a curling iron. It's obviously a wand, it comes with the glove. Anyway, plugged it in. It's heating up really, really fast. There's not like heat temperature thing that you would normally have. It's just a switch. It has the O in the line, and then the line means that it's on. So that's heating up. I'm going to do some heat protectant spray. This is from Matrix. Literally just got it from my hair salon that I go to. So I'm just gonna like literally spray this everywhere. I hope you guys are doing good. Also, I'm so sorry for that. These are my masks because, you know, we're in a global pandemic thingy. And it's really annoying. I regret putting it there now that I film here, but that's fine. We'll see if it stays there. Obviously, also just brush my hair. So I really do think that this is heated up. So first I'm going to section off my hair. You know, my hair's not that thick, but every section counts, especially when you have short hair like mine. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's ready. Let me think about which one I'm gonna be. Okay, so I'm gonna use my left hand, put the glove on. Oh, I look crazy. Okay, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna zoom you in some more so you can see everything that is happening. I have a mirror over here, so I'm gonna be looking over here so I don't like burn myself. Okay, so the key with like beachy waves is that you don't leave it on there very long, and then you stretch it out after it gets off. Yeah, you can see how loose that is. Oh, yes, so cute. Okay, cool. And so now, as you hear, I'll explain some more. So what you do is you take the curling iron. I put it on the back of my section, and then I wrap away from my face like this. And then since you have this glove, you can just kind of hold it on there with your hand, which is really nice, especially once again because I have short hair. And then we're gonna take it off. That one came out a little looser anyway. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the rest of this section, and then I'll see you at the next section. Okay, so just like that, I'm already done with my first section. And now I'm going to move on to my next section. I'm just tying my hair up as I go. One thing I really like about using a curling wand versus a curling iron for this, I feel like I have more control over it because I'm like using my hands to do it. And then with this curling wand, got my glove on, I really feel like it's pretty close to the same size the whole time, where other curling wands I have used, I guess I'm starting on this side to put the glove on this side, other curling wands I've used get really skinny towards the ends, and I think that's really annoying because I want my curl to be the same size all the way down, and that's really important for like beach waves and like loose curls like this. So yeah, same thing over here, curling away from my face, holding it on for just a little bit. I kind of just, what's it called? Like wait it out. I just kind of decide randomly, like, I don't know, I'll count this time and see how long. I kind of know for my hair. I think it's different for everyone's hair because my hair is kind of a little bit finer than some people's might be. So if your hair is a little coarser, you might want to hold it on there a little bit longer, but I wrap and I basically just go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8's long enough for me for sure. And like I said, you pull it out, you stretch it, and then it'll be looser. And once again, I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll do a time lapse on this one so you guys can see it. I also feel like with the beach waves, you could, oh whoops, I've definitely done this before, where you just start from like the top layer of your head and you just curl some pieces. Obviously if you have pinched straight hair, that's not really gonna work, but because my hair is a little like messy straight, like very light wavy I guess, it kind of worked with my hair. If you go to my Instagram, I did like a parking garage photo shoot not very long ago with my friend, and that's what I did. I didn't even curl my whole head like this, but if you want it to last longer and if you want it to last a few days and like stay looking like really good and fresh, I would just recommend curling your whole head. It's not a big deal, and yeah. One thing about the glove is that I have to take off to like feel for the curly pieces in the back, but I think I curled them all. So now we're gonna, this layer, see I could do this by itself, but also it's like kind of thick still, so I just split it again. Once again, this is all like up to you. I look kind of crazy, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. And yeah. And with the top, like once you get closer to the top like this, just pay more attention to like your kind of hair. So like in the front, you can see that my hair is a lot like finer, thinner. So if your hair is like that, which most people's is, I'm pretty sure, just make sure you hold it on a little bit less. Okay, well, not that much less, but I guess it worked. Like, did you see how fast that happened? I literally just put it on there and then it was curled. So there's that. Back to talking about this curling wand from Duvolle. It literally heated up while I was spraying my hair. Like, it heated up so fast, which is awesome. I don't know how hot it is, but obviously pretty hot. The fact that it's curling my hair pretty fast like this. I'm more of a neutrals kind of girl. But I'm kind of living for this pink right now. I'm kind of living my Barbie fantasy at the moment. So yeah. At the back, I get like really close to the root. I hope you can see me. Yeah, you can kind of see it. And just be more careful at the back, obviously. At the end with the top layer, you can always fix up the back. Just make sure you're still curling everything though, because you need that volume. Otherwise it's gonna look weird. Also, with these beach waves, your on the curling iron does not need to be perfect. Like obviously the first one's flat, the next one's twisted. It's kind of whatever. Because if it's like all flat, then it'll become like really perfect. The goal is to not be perfect, basically. So it's really hard to mess these up, really. And even if you do find that once you curl your hair, it's like too perfect for you, just take a hairbrush to it, take a straightener to the ends. That's a little life hack. That'll always make it look a little bit better, like a little looser. Obviously, curly hair is not bad or anything, but like for what we're going for today. Okay, we are on to the last layer, and then we can zoom out because I know you guys are really enjoying this really up close and personal view right now. But this looks insane. Okay, back to what we were doing. So the top layer is more important than the other layers just because you can see more of it. So with this one, you really want to make sure that you're what am I doing? Yeah, it needs to be on this side. That you're stretching it out whenever you do this. Because this layer is, yeah, like I said, the most important one. With the front pieces, just make sure you don't go too close to the root because it, I don't know, on my hair it looks really weird. It may not look weird on your hair. Yeah. I like that this glove is like my whole hand because I've had curly wands with gloves where it's only like 3 fingers, which is fine, I guess. But what about your other fingers? Like, I've definitely burned myself. I lost that one anyway too. This hairstyle is literally perfect for any occasion. I wore this hairstyle to my senior prom. I wore this hairstyle just for a photo shoot. I used to wear it to school whenever I went to school at the hospital. Yeah, you can literally do anything with it. I really think that's all of my hair. Yay, that was so quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it off. Like I said, just press it towards the O, circle, whatever you want to say. I'm gonna zoom you out so it's not weird, so just give me a sec. There we go. Yes, much better. So, now that it's like this, the top layer is still a little bit warm. Obviously, if you find some pieces here and there, you can go back and curl them. Anyway, so the top pieces are still a little bit warm. I'm just gonna brush through it with my fingers. Oh, yep. This is working out. Okay, cool. Brushing through with my fingers. And literally, guys, that's it. Since it is a beach wave, I don't really necessarily put hairspray on. You guys can if you want to. My hair will hold it pretty good, usually. And it's loose anyway. So you kind of want it to, but let's just do some stuff with our fingers here. Yeah, that's the look. Look at that. That was so easy. Super fast. Like, I have only been filming for like 15-ish minutes. I know my hair's short, but this heated up really fast. This didn't take very long. I'm actually this was like honestly one of the best attempts of doing the beach wave thing that I've ever done. So you're welcome. I'm glad you guys were here for this accomplishment in my life. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I do also have a discount code for you guys for the curly wand in the description down below, and I will also put it right here on the screen, and I'll see you next time. Missing someone.